Hi, this is Johnnie Maul with Veterans Handyman. Here we're putting on our 7/8 bolt here for our shear wall today. As you can see, we've already used our Simpson's epoxy right here, about a quarter down for each bolt. Now we're putting these in by hand at first, threading them, and then we're going to use the pipe wrench next to tighten them down all the way. How's it going over there, bro? Alright. Wow, these are going to be in so good. We used the maximum amount of epoxy. And now we're getting them down to where they're going to be about 5 inches to 4 inches above the subflooring.
Alright, Johnny, is there?
How high do you have it? That looks good.
This one?
Right. That's great. Let's see what I got here. Yep, I'm set too. Okay. Now we're putting our plates on. They're each together about 5/8, 3.5 by 6.5 inches.